You see, what I said was, they have missed to understand. I said taqwa is practiced not for the sake of display, but taqwa is automatically displayed in one's actions. Not deliberately. Automatically. And nobody can stop it. A muttaqi man can be seen as different from a non-muttaqi. Even when you look at a Thanedar's face who is corrupt, you know what. So when falsehood is displayed, how can taqwa remain undisplayed? But not deliberately. Thank you.